Hi, I'm Nelson, a Chicago-based web developer and general tech guy. I work with clients nationwide, and I'm also available to meet locally in Chicago when it's helpful. I'm a senior WordPress developer with 15 plus years building, fixing, and optimizing sites that will load faster and convert better when I'm done with them, especially Elementor Pro, WooCommerce, and Divi. I work with those a lot. So if your site is slow, outdated, difficult to manage, or not converting, you know where to turn. I see my camera's going a little slow, so I'm going to start to share the screen. Here we go. Oh, it's not one thing, it's another. Okay. Share begins now. Okay, so this is a WordPress site that I've created. Well, I was on the development team that created it. And let's just go back to my script here. I'm ad-libbing a little bit, which proves I'm a real guy. I'm not some actor. Okay, we're going to go over to another. This is a very good looking website, and it has a lot of stuff to it. But I'll show you one that I've done all myself, and that is the WordPress upgrade of Sailboats to Go. Here we have the old site. Here we have the dashboard of the new site. It's deep in construction, maybe 90% done. And the site has, the old and new sites have over 100 pages and over 600 products. And in building this, we're going to go to WooCommerce products. We had to do a semi-automatic inload of the products. That would have been a nightmare to do all at one by hand. And we also developed a mechanism using Python. I'll spare the details, but Python created code for each page, took the code of the page and it created an Elementor block for each page. Then we developed a plugin, and the plugin is programmed to put in the appropriate Elementor block into the correct page. So the point is I can do the fancy stuff if necessary. I can also do mundane things. But before I get into the mundane things, let's get into a few other things in WordPress. Core Web Vitals, quote unquote, which is increasing the page speed, dealing with caching, images loading or not. There's a thing called lazy loading that you have to deal with if you want to make things real snappy, and removing a bloat from your site, security, if your site's been hacked. I can deal with all that stuff. All right, so now we're going to move down the line. Trainery One, this is a real neat company, real neat concept. Corporate training. They have solutions to all sorts of detailed corporate training needs. It's a very complicated WordPress site with a lot of issues, a lot of plugins. It is beautiful. See, there's a lot of stuff going on here. All right. I also, now to the more mundane, I have a large catalog of Chicago pictures I've developed, I've taken myself over multiple decades, and I'm just showing you ones that are from the Bean. I have many more. Downtown, the Trump Tower, it's actually a beautiful building, regardless of what you think of politics, and Wrigley Field, and if you want to meet with me personally and you're a Chicago resident, that's great. Or we can meet on Zoom. I'm trying to think, is there anything else to go over before I finish this video? I think that's about it. I really do. So we're going to end the screen sharing and then end the meeting. So we're going to the meeting, stop share, and now you see my pretty face, and we're going to end the recording. Let's see, record settings, these damn things. See, I am not a professional actor. I'm not somebody in Kansas City. I'm real, and I'm in the city of Chicago, and I know my stuff.